What's up guys, welcome to vlogmas day 9. Today is Friday. It's actually the last day of my internship. It is around 8:30 right now. I'm about to head over to the train station and head into the city. But yeah, I can't believe the semester is like coming to an end and I'm ending my internship. I had such a good experience, genuinely. I'm so happy that I did this because in the beginning of the semester I was like a little hesitant to take on an internship 3 days a week just because it's a lot to balance and to manage, but I had such a great experience, loved the company, loved the people. It was just a really good internship experience, which I'm super like thankful for because not every internship is like that. I am wearing a very casual outfit. Fridays, everyone dresses pretty casual. I'm wearing this tie-dye sweatshirt from Aritzia. These jeans are also Aritzia. I'm bringing my 2 gifts that I showed you guys a couple vlogs ago for my 2 supervisors. I am back home now. It's a little bit after 6 o'clock. I am done with my internship. That's so crazy. Today was my last day and I'm all done now. It was kind of sad saying goodbye to everyone, but I definitely feel like I made good connections with like my supervisors and like people in the company, and I feel like I'll be able to stay in touch with them and reach out to them if I need anything ever. Also, I got to take home a couple of things from some of our brands, so I thought I would show you guys what I got. The first is this jacket that I'm so excited about. This is from Blank NYC. That is a brand that I worked with while I was there. We just got these puffers in. It's like this really cool kind of shiny snake skin puffer. I got it in a size small. Their jackets are so nice and this feels like it's gonna be really heavy and warm. I'm really excited to have this. It's my first anything from Blank NYC. Their stuff is so nice. And then another brand that I worked with was Josie Moran. I just took home the face butter. It's their whipped argan oil face butter, so it's just a moisturizer. Their packaging is so pretty. I thought this would be good because now that it's winter, my skin is getting really dry and I feel like my skin has kind of gotten used to the moisturizer that I use, and now that my skin is kind of changing with the weather, I just felt like it was a good time to try out a new moisturizer, so I'm really excited to try this. I will let you guys know how I like it. But yeah, so I'm all done with my internship. So crazy. I think the rest of the night I'm just going to stay home and clean my apartment up a little bit. My room's kind of a mess right now. You can't really see the mess, but I'm looking at it and it just needs to be cleaned. Running to Staples because I wanted to start packing up my Poshmark orders. Oh, getting in my car. It's so cold. I realized I didn't have enough of the mailers to ship them out in. Oh, I'm out of breath. So making a quick little Staples run. Hopefully they have what I need. Also, there's a Cold Stone right by Staples, so I think I'm gonna treat myself to ice cream. got a cake batter shake for myself and then got an Oreo shake for Ben. Staples didn't have what I need. They only had the mailers with like the bubble wrap inside, which like don't really work well for clothes. I'm just gonna have to order them on Amazon, which means they'll come Sunday, which is fine, but I wanted to ship them out tomorrow, so it's like a little inconvenient. I just got out of the shower. It is getting pretty late, so I'm about to head to bed, but I thought I would just show you my little skincare for the night. So I just used the Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads because I hadn't exfoliated in a couple days, and now I'm gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum. I got a big package from Glow Recipe. They sent me a ton of their products and I've been like testing them out here and there. So far I've been really liking them. This is just a brightening and smoothing serum, so I'm gonna take a couple drops of this and put this all over. Next, I'm going to open up this moisturizer. This is what the Josie Maran face butter looks like. Okay, and then another Josie Maran product, I'm gonna go in with their Skin Dope face oil. This is like a CBD face oil, and I love a face oil for the winter because my skin, like I said, gets so dry. So this really helps keep that under control. Just finishing off with some Laneige lip mask, and now I'm all ready for bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my vlogmas uploads. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.